Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bone broth. First, gather your main ingredients. You'll need about 2 to 3 pounds of bones, which can be from beef, chicken, or fish. Next, prepare your aromatic vegetables such as carrots, celery, and onions. Finally, include 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This helps extract valuable nutrients from the bones during cooking. To enhance the flavor, roast your bones at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes until lightly browned. After roasting, transfer the bones to a large stock pot. Add your prepared vegetables and cover everything with cold water. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook for 12 to 24 hours. This long simmer time is crucial for extracting all the beneficial compounds. Once your broth has simmered sufficiently, it's time to strain it. Carefully pour the entire contents of the pot through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a clean bowl. Discard all the solids, leaving you with a clear, rich liquid. Let the broth cool completely at room temperature before transferring it to airtight containers. You can refrigerate it for up to 5 days or freeze it for several months. Bone broth offers numerous health benefits, including supporting gut health and providing essential collagen for skin and joint support. It's incredibly versatile. You can use it as a flavorful base for your favorite soups and stews, or simply warm a mug and sip it directly. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, be sure to check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.